I saved your life?
You owe me. I won't let you leave me like this. And I really like you.
Kobe, it's me. I am Captain JK.
Captain, it really is you. I missed you so much I thought you were gone.
You're finally back, honey.
Mary, I really missed you.
I wished upon my mermaid tears, hoping to have legs like a human so I could walk. Hi, sister. I'm Lizzie. Hi, Lizzie. Who are you looking for? I'm here to see JK. I'm looking for your husband. Sis, I am his second wife. Who will you be with tonight, hubby?
Only kids make choices. I want it all tonight. Both of you stay with me.
Okay, honey.